That does not sound good.
So why don't you stay? I know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same. So why don't you stay? I need you to stay.
It's Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. And as you see by the title, we are going to be planting our first plant. I've had an itch the past couple months that I want to just take care of something. Like, it's really that simple. And I went through the list, like a baby, girl, be for real, like not yet. Like, let's be a little selfish a little bit more. And then I thought of a dog, a cat. I really want a cat. My mom does not want a cat. I live with my parents, so I'm like, okay, no cat. I thought of a hamster, but I really am kind of grossed out by hamsters. I thought I was going to get a fish, and then I settled with a plant. I went to Walmart and I got a plant, and I've never had a plant. I never wanted a plant because I just knew I would kill it. I just knew I would be a bad plant mom. My mom has so many plants and my friends have so many plants, and I think it's now my time to like lose my planting virginity and jump into the plant game. So you guys are gonna watch me plant a plant for the first time, while also giving you guys a little update and talking about post-grad and what that's been like, because girl, it's been a struggle. Does nobody talk about post-grad depression? But yeah, let's just get into the video. I'm super excited. If you haven't yet, don't forget to comment and subscribe. I am back. This is one of the things I wanted to add into a routine for me, is getting back into things I love, like YouTube editing, video creating, all of this. This was really like my sanctuary for a big majority of my life, and I want to bring that back as well. So videos will be every Wednesday, and then I'm going to try to put shorts out Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So you'll have a video every day of the week except for the weekends. So that is the goal right now. I have 2 videos pre-filmed. So a girl is working, a girl is trying. I think the hardest part is the burnout. But anyway, let's plant this beautiful plant. I don't know how we're gonna plant this, so I can show you, maybe outside. I don't know, it seems cold out there. But basically, I found this Delilah plant. It seemed low maintenance. I got it from Walmart. It comes in all the bulbs and stuff like that. There's 2 bulbs. I don't really know what that means. And should I be planting both of them or one? Maybe I should plant 1 bulb. I don't know. I'm going to Google. All the plant connoisseurs are cringing right now. I know, I get it. You should be cringing, absolutely. Google said to use 1 of the bulbs. I also bought soil. I don't know if this is good, but this is premium Schultz potting soil. All my little plant heads, let me know, is it good? I don't know. Also my hair, I got invisible locks. And the back, I got like a little peekaboo blonde in there. So it said feeds up to 9 months. So let's give it a try. And I'm doing this in the house. Yikes. Thankfully, my mom's not home. She'd be so mad. I got these press-on nails. I might do a video on that. They are stuck on here, which is so awesome. Ensure that they stay on longer. I just have some gloves on to avoid the mess and them getting dirt under them and everything. We're going to open this bag. Oh, we're going to put some dirt in the pot. So the instructions say to just put a bunch of like soil in there and fill it up. Isn't she cute? And let's fill her up. Okay, y'all, look. I'm so excited. Are these the bulbs? Are these what they're supposed to look like? And this is the second one, I assume. I don't know what I'm doing. So I figured out that this is a bulb, and I'm gonna put that in there. I'm so excited. Place plant in the center. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna put our plant in. I'm so excited. Hallelujah. We're gonna squish her in there. Oh my gosh. Plant people should absolutely be cringing right now. That does not sound like a good. There's no way this plant is gonna survive. This is a fail. This is why I'm not a plant mom. Okay, so we have our cute little plants planted. Pat gently but firmly. Hey, we are planted and we're gonna water later. We're in and then we're gonna water her. I think I'm gonna do maybe a chit chat video about post-grad and the transition to living alone to going back to living with your parents. That was tough. Maybe I'll do like a series. The transition from depression after grad, which you don't expect, when things do not go your way, which you don't expect. Yeah, I was on academic probation, and right now I am finally getting my groove of things. I've added YouTube in the list of things that are part of now my routine. I've made a schedule for myself because I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. I'm over it. So we're gonna make a change, and that's what I've been doing. So let's bring our cute little Delilah and let's water her because she deserves water because she is thirsty. Okay, let's water Miss Girl. Okay, y'all, we're outside a little bit. I am going to bring you guys down to speed. And we're gonna water our girl. And let's water it. Listen, was that enough? I don't think it was enough. I think that was too much, but we're supposed to. There we go. It's coming out, so I don't know if I need to add more water. It's drinking it, duh, but it seems like water. Maybe I should add a little more. I feel like I'm overflowing her. I don't want to overflow her. Let me go read the bag of instructions. Okay, it said to water the plant thoroughly and allow it to drain. And I watched it drain and it drank enough water and it drank all of it, y'all. Y'all think I'm tripping. Sis is thirsty, okay? But I think now I'm gonna just leave her outside and just let her catch some rays. Okay. That's her. She's a little damp. Okay, I think we're good. So that is it. Thanks for joining me on my plant adventure. I have another bulb, so we'll see if this works. I think it should grow in like at least 2 weeks. So if we get nothing in 2 weeks, we know that I absolutely failed. And I will be giving you guys an update. And look out for a post-grad series, because if y'all don't know, post-grad is hectic and it's super tough and it's not a lot of people talk about it, and I would love to speak about it with you guys. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of series on that. I would love to speak about it more. So if you do have any questions, a little bit about me, I studied in the States. I live in Canada, so I studied abroad in the States, and it was quite the experience. A lot of depression, a lot of sad crying nights, honestly, but it was a great experience and I wouldn't trade it for anything else. So if you're thinking about it, you definitely should do it, even though I just told you like I'm just crying all night. No, it was a good experience. I met some cool people. I'm gonna do a good series on this, definitely. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so, so, so much. Thank you so much for sticking around. I know it's annoying to follow me and subscribe to me. So follow my TikTok and subscribe to me, because I'm just like never here, pretty much. Like, where am I, girl? Where are you? Hello, your page is up and running, but you're not up and running it. I know, I suck, but I'm back. Okay, I'm back. But yeah, thanks again for watching. Bye guys. Mwah. Remember, it's not goodbye, it's see you later, and I'll see you tomorrow in a short. Bye y'all. Bye.
Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.